This is how I turn YouTube content into high converting, high impact LinkedIn posts. In today's video, I'm going to show you my exact step-by-step process for taking YouTube content and turning into LinkedIn posts that you can reuse across multiple platforms. And if you do have any questions, just let me know by commenting down below. My name is Gavin. I run an email and SMS marketing agency. I do not have anything to sell you, and I make these videos really just to document my own journey and answer questions that I know I would have had when I first started my agency. So if you have any questions, check them down in the comment section down below. If you do want to subscribe to my newsletter, look in the description of this video. But without wasting any more of your time, let's get into the video. This is how you turn YouTube content into high quality LinkedIn content. Okay, so we're on YouTube here. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna find a video that we thought was valuable or good that we wanna share on LinkedIn. Now, I have my own channel. So what I do is I actually take the YouTube videos that I've produced in the past and I implement the following strategy. But you can do this yourself with other videos if you do not have your own YouTube channel. We're gonna assume, in this case, that you have your own channel, okay? But if you don't, just apply this exact same logic as if it was someone else's channel. So I'm gonna go onto my channel here, and we're gonna find a video that I want to turn into a LinkedIn post. We're gonna take this video here, for example. This is a video talking about Klaviyo email marketing post-purchase flow, okay? So it's a flow that talks about the email marketing process, right? For the post-purchase flow. What we're gonna do is we're gonna click more, just here, and we're gonna click show transcript. It's gonna give us the whole transcript for the video, okay? Now, we're gonna have that transcript sitting here. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up ChatGPT, and we're gonna do the following. We're gonna train our module on our tone of voice, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say, analyze the following LinkedIn post from me to establish my tone, TOV, tone of voice, as I am going to ask you to write posts in this same TOV. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy in as many posts as you possibly can into this ChatGPT module. If I were you, I would focus on the LinkedIn posts that performed the best in your account. So go into your account. This is my account here. We're gonna go here. We're gonna find our posts. You can see it under the activity, right? We can go post, show all posts. And you're just gonna look through the posts that got the most engagement here. So this is one here, got 40 likes. I'm really happy with this. So we're gonna copy and paste this post into the ChatGPT module. Then we're gonna go post 2, and we're gonna rinse and repeat. We're just gonna keep adding our high performing posts into ChatGPT, okay? Now, we're kind of assuming here that it's the tone of voice that has influenced the engagement here rather than the message specifically. It's not necessarily true, right? The tone of voice isn't the reason that this got 28 likes or 30 likes and this one got 40 likes. It's an element of it, but there really is the message behind it. But we still need to train our module, and it's better to train our module on posts that got better engagement than posts that did not. Even though the message is really like the uniform aspect of it, but you know, whatever. Post 3, we're doing this quick and simple, okay? Now I would recommend doing more posts, but doesn't matter. So we're gonna press enter, and it's gonna give us a full breakdown of our tone of voice, and it's gonna make sure that that tone of voice is used in the posts that we do in the future. So here we go, give us a full breakdown here. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the YouTube video, we're gonna copy and paste this transcript, and we're gonna turn this into a LinkedIn post. So turn this YouTube transcript into a LinkedIn post in the same TOV as the above. Watch this. Look at this, it's dirty. It's got timestamps, looks terrible, right? But watch this. Look at this. We get like a really solid LinkedIn post that we can literally just go ahead and copy and paste. Look, it's even giving us like nice call to actions. This is solid, right? Give us hashtags as well. Copy and paste this in. Boom. Put that into LinkedIn. Nice and easy. That's how you repurpose content from YouTube into LinkedIn. Now, once again, I'm assuming you have your own YouTube channel and you're copying videos from your own account, which honestly, from an ethical perspective, that's what I recommend doing, because you're actually taking your own ideas and putting those out there. But, you know, hey, the other alternative is to go on to other people's YouTube videos, find the content that's working out there, and then just obviously assuming you can actually vouch for this and watch the video. Some of you guys watching this won't do that, but you can then take that video, spin it into your own with your own tone of voice, pop it out there. This is what I do for LinkedIn. You can do the same for Twitter. I'm going to make a separate video on Twitter. Here's a cool thing too. You can then ask this to create me 3 more variations, and you can schedule these posts 2 weeks apart from each other and no one's going to know. Look, the contrarian hook, right? It's going to give you different hooks, the founder vibe, giving you different angles that you can then put that out. And if you're selling on LinkedIn, you have a core message that you're trying to get, you just need to have that message go out in different ways. So that's how you repurpose content across multiple, well, from YouTube to LinkedIn. You can do the same for Twitter. You can do the same for your newsletter as well. Super easy, saves you a bunch of time. And this is how I'm able to be present on so many platforms simultaneously. If you like this video, awesome. I'm super glad. I don't really have anything to sell you on this channel. So if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments section down below. Check out my other YouTube channel as well if you're interested, and subscribe and check out the newsletter too. Thanks for watching, guys.